Hello, my name is Renee, and I'm one of your teachers. In this grammar video, I will use a lot of examples. Pause the video often to understand them really well and use subtitles in English or in your language if you need them. If you do it like this, you will learn lots of English. Today, you are going to learn about personal pronouns and the verb to be in the present simple affirmative. Personal pronouns. Let's start with the personal pronoun. They are, in the singular, I, you, he, she, it. And in the plural, we, you, they. It is very important to remember that the pronoun I is always written with a capital letter, even if it's not at the beginning of the sentence. For example, I am Renee. You and I are friends. In English, the second person pronoun is you, in both the singular and the plural. For example, you are my mom. You are my parents. He and she are used for people, and it is used for animals and things. For example, he is a nice boy. She is a clever girl. It is the best dog. It is hot today. As you can see in the last example, to talk about the weather, we also use it, plus the verb to be. Watch this clip from the ABBA English film, A Day at the Beach, where Karen and Paul are trying to relax. Pay some special attention to how they use personal pronouns. We'll also see afterwards how they use the verb to be.
It is very nice here.
Yes, the weather is wonderful. I am thirsty.
Well, it is hot today.
I am very lucky.
Let's check some key sentences. It is very nice here. I am thirsty. It is hot today. I am very lucky. All these sentences use the verb to be in the present simple affirmative. Let's learn how it works. To be in the present simple affirmative. The verb to be is probably the most important one in the English language. Now, let's see how to use the verb to be in the present simple affirmative. In the singular, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. And in the plural, we are, you are, they are. Now, let's see some examples of the verb to be in the present simple affirmative. I am Renee. You are tall. She is cold. It is cloudy. It is hot. We are students. You are workers. They are teachers. It's easy, right? To be, to talk about the weather. In the ABBA film clip that we just watched, our characters use personal pronouns as well as the verb to be to create sentences. They talk about how they feel, but also about the weather. Let's see some examples of to be being used to talk about the weather. It is cold. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is cloudy. We also use the verb to be with some common expressions. For example, I am sorry. You are late. Here you are. We use the expression here you are when we give something to someone. Well, In this class, you have learned how to use personal pronouns and the verb to be in the present simple affirmative. Now keep on working on this unit to perfectly know how to use its grammar and vocabulary in all the linguistic skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Spend all the time you need in each section to make the most out of it so that you will get excellent results in the final assessment. Keep going. Take care. See you soon.